Oh, wow. I did not expect this. I did not expect this. So, I don't know if you know what this is, Mike. Was this the big reveal? Can I have a drum roll, please? That was weak, man. A little better.
I don't have a drum.
Right next to you, man. That's a lot better. Hey everybody, how we doing? Robert Zabit here with Second Sense Auctions. And guess what? Where are we at? Storage facility! Yes, take a look. Tons and tons and tons of things, but we only bought one unit. So farthest I ever had to drive for a unit, and I got Magic Mike here to help me. So 350. Let's hope it's a magic number. This is it. Okay.
Small.
So it's small, easy to load. Everybody, welcome back once again. We're still here at the unit, but luckily there's been so much great stuff. We have to film another episode, maybe 2 more. We'll have to wait and see, but man, so far the first unit, brand new stuff. We found tools, a banjo, we found just so much gun cleaning kits, all kinds of stuff, but almost everything we find is brand new. So I'm so excited. This is all the stuff left. But man, we found fishing stuff. We got all those poles right there. There's still this case right here. We got to look in. And we also have this case right here. So we found one banjo. The question is, that banjo go to that case, or is there another banjo in there? We'll have to wait to find out. Once again, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Awesome units, awesome houses we go to, hoarder houses, all kind of stuff. Always finding great items. So subscribe, watch some of the past videos, and don't forget, www.secondsense.com. You can bid on the items you see. www.secondsense.com, and we ship everywhere in the world. So we appreciate everyone tuning in. Let's see. We'll open the box. We'll go right here, Mike. Oh, why did I have to go to the heaviest box first? Oh, it's heavy. Oh, interesting. Interesting. So, vintage RCA camera right there, camcorder. Well, this must be the tape that you put the little tape in. You can watch it at home. And we got brand new. I know these sealed tapes like this are valuable because there's people that still use the stuff and they don't have tape, so they need new tape. A little RCA camera on top. What the heck? A Yamaha QT, a metronome.
For a guitar, possibly.
Or for a banjo, maybe?
For a banjo.
I like them, that's what Mike. Yes!
Brand new.
$35 price tag on there. The spin wax. And, man, I love finding brand new stuff, but I think I have to maybe go down this way. If you have this much fun, does it really work? No, it's not. It's not. So, man, right there, brand new. What else is in this? Yes.
Another one.
2 of them right there. So with the price tags on there, that's $70 for 2 of them right there.
Not too bad.
Brand new. Oh, I like this box already. Brand new fishing. Oh yeah. And you know, people, they get excited about finding guns and units. Ammo. You find enough ammo, it could be worth more than the weapon, trust me. But it feels like it's never been opened, this box. So, look at that. Never used. Winter. Ooh. And these ain't cheap, ladies and gentlemen. I haven't looked these up. I'll have to take a look. But some of these shells can run for, like, they usually range about $1 a piece. There's 20 in here. What we found. Ooh, it's brand new. Let's see what else is in this box. Looks like we got just books. And a little little adult VHS tapes there, ladies and gentlemen. So, man, what an interesting box. You know, I mean, what's one of these worth? Oh, the price tag's right there. Brand new, 30 bucks. So, I mean, this box, just with the stuff in there, over $100. One box. And we keep finding boxes that are worth around $100 of stuff in the box. So, man, who knows what else we're gonna find. First box we pull out, already money, money, money. I can't wait to see what else we get. All right, man, I'm so excited. Magic Mikey's jumping up and down. So, oh, let's grab another box all the way in the back. Oh, wow, heavy. I like heavy boxes, except when I have to put them in the truck. But what is this? Oh man, no.
Another one.
You won't believe it.
It's gonna be a good fishing option.
Man. Look right here. Rhino. Zepco. So, man. Tons of good reels right here. I don't even know. I have to look up this one. But I know the Garcia. We got brand new right here. This is a blue Garcia right here. This is, let's see if there's a price tag on there. But usually these are like $50 to $100. And look down here. Yeah. So that's right there for melting lead, making lures and stuff like that, making weights. And we get tons and tons. Look at brand new. Looks like a mouse got in here though. So now I'm really excited what's in here. Oh, nice. You know what that is?
I do not.
It's a smelter. Alright, so you put lead in here and you smelt it down, and you melt it down, and then you can make your own weights for fishing. This is some kind of tablets. I'm assuming that you, oh, it says take one a day, Cletus. So, man. But, how much you think's in this box? Probably another $100 at least, right?
Yeah. Oh, easy.
So, the last two boxes we just pulled out, looking at easy $200 for those two boxes. So we're making that money back for the unit. Plus we got the banjo, all kind of other stuff, and man, I don't even know. It's like where to go. I guess we're gonna go this giant box. Oh, I don't know if I can lift it. Okay, we'll come back to that one. Let's go. Let's get a couple of these out of the way. Or brand new fishing? No. Oh, no way. I'm not sure. I see a bedpan. I thought I heard money again, but no. We got some gold bond ends, money and stuff here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I did hear money, but that's not why I'm hoo-hooing about. There's some dimes and stuff on him, but what I'm hoo-hooing about is right here.
What's that pocket knife?
Ooh, it's like it's never been open, man. I'm trying, I don't see a name anywhere. Huh. It's a nice looking pocket knife. It feels really well made. So I'm surprised I don't see a name anywhere on it. There's definitely some change in here with some clothes. Oh man, this must be the... I think this box, we call it the Bills and Pills box. Because it looks like it's all pills.
Pills?
And they're still full. So who knows what we got in here. And this whole thing's full of pills. And this has pills and bills. So we'll have to go through all this stuff.
How about some thrills?
I see stuff from the American Kennel Society and stuff. Look at this. No way. So the funny thing is my son loves pigeons. We don't know why, but he loves pigeons, so I might have to give him that book. Some paperwork. So we gotta go through all this paperwork. You just don't know. Oh, what's this? No way. What? Tattoo ink for veterinary use only. I'm not sure what this is. Directions to use tattoo set. I'm not sure. I'll have to look this up. It says for animals though. I'm kind of confused. But it looks like it's brand new, and I guarantee you it's money. So even this box that looked like all garbage, we got a pigeon book, a knife, and the .300 tattoo outfit. And we got tons of pills and bills. So, man, who knows what else we're gonna find, but it's an interesting unit. I'll grab this box right here. Alright, another one. Looks like it might be all paperwork, but we found some good stuff in the last paperwork box. What? Plastic mold injectors. Dinosaurs are here. Interesting. Some old maps down here. Lots of old paperwork. This says from White Castle. I mean, who knows? So we'll ask the facility if they want the paperwork back, the bills back, the pictures. We'll see. Most of the time they don't, but we'll take a look, see what else we can find. But man, it's been awesome. Brand new fishing stuff, brand new all kind of things. This thing, I have no clue what it is, but hey, we all get to find out together. So we appreciate everyone watching. Keep watching. Got some more stuff to look through. All right, man. So many great things already. Try to find some more stuff. Got this little decorative metal wall hanger, and still a piece like that, you might get 20, 30 bucks for it at auction. You might only get 5, 10, but still, it adds up, and we needed to add it up. I'm gonna go this giant box right here. Wow. What the? Holy.
That's a lot of belts.
Belts. This guy had every belt in the world. Holy. Wow. So we got all kind of leather belts, and the thing is, when you see all these belts, what you gotta look for is belt buckles. Because there could be belt buckles that, look how ornate this is. That's all leather tooled. Beautiful. But I found belt buckles that are sterling silver, like this right here. Right there. Right there. So I don't know if this is silver or not. Quite possibly could be sterling. It's handcrafted in the USA. But you got buffalo nickels on there. You got a turquoise. So right there, that belt buckle is worth money. I see a lot of people, they would just see all these belts like Magic Mike here and say, I don't need a belt, let's get rid of them all. But the crazy thing is, look at how giant this belt is. Watch. I got like a 34 inch. This is a big man that owned this unit. Big man. Hope you don't come back and want his stuff back, because luckily I got Magic Mike with me. He's like 6'5" and chiseled rock muscle. Alright, there's definitely some more stuff in here that I didn't get to see yet, so let's take a look. What the heck is this thing? Oh man. Looks like some kind of medical kit. Oh, it is. Hey Mike, would you want surgery?
I'm good, thanks.
Half off today. You sure?
On April Fool's Day?
Oh man. Hey, don't forget, I watched a YouTube video. I'm professional. Ooh, what's this? Made in France. Hopefully it's jewelry. Take a look at that box. It says set of beading tools. Ooh. I know that's got to be money. It's got to be money. It's made in France, so you know they ain't cheap. Everything from France is a lot. What's this thing? Holy smoke. Oh. You know what that is?
I do not.
Bam! No, it's not to hit Mike with. I'm joking, ladies and gentlemen.
It's a billy club.
This is a ring sizer.
Oh.
So you put a ring on top here, and you go down, and they'll tell you if it's a size 7, 7.5, and 8. So that's what it is for. And a metal ring sizer like this, probably about 50 bucks, 30 bucks. This is made in the United States. It's not a cheap one. So, once again, more money. What the heck is this thing? It's heavy. What? It says 5-piece mini pliers in there. What? Look at this. Some kind of metal stamping? I don't know. I have to look at that. It might be like to do like some kind of tin work or something. Interesting. I don't know. But I'm assuming it's more money. Brand new nails. Oh, look at this. Nice. That's a Dremel tool. Look at right there, Dremel. Moto tool, flex shaft, brand new. And once again, first we opened this box and we thought, hey, just belt buckles. Then we might have found a sterling silver belt buckle. Now we're finding brand new items, tools, and who knows what else. Look at that. Brand new bits. Oh man, it just keeps getting better and better. And these ain't cheap bits. Some of these can go for $10, $5, $10, $15 a piece. And just do the math here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I mean, money, money, money. So once again, a box we didn't think much of. Might be another $100 box. The last 3 in a row we touched, $100, $100, $100 easy. It's 300 bucks. It's adding up quick. Look at all the stuff left. Another banjo case. We found a banjo in the last episode. Who knows what else we're going to find? Let's grab another box real quick. We'll go for this little one up here. What the heck have they kept in this little tiny box? What the heck is this? Oh. You know what that is? Nope. This might help you. Right. That's the alcohol content in wine.
I'll be damned.
Okay, so it says, see how it says 0 to 25%? So they'll tell you the alcohol content. This is you put on top of the bottles when you're making wine and stuff, so who knows? What else is in here? More brand new stuff though. Looks like brand new shoe shine brush. And this looks like all shoe polish. And man, if I had more time, I'd give my boots a nice polish here. Oh, wow. I did not expect this. I did not expect this. So, I don't know if you know what this is, Mike.
Oh, let's see.
But I believe these are leather tools, okay? So this is if you're making, like, remember that eagle we saw? That belt? You could do something like that with this. And these specialty hammers in here. And some of these hammers like this, look, it has 2 different types of edges on it. That's brass. They could go for big money. That's a rawhide. So these are specially made to do. And then look down here, see? So that's what he was doing, making wallets and stuff like that. And here's an example of what he did. Now that's an artist. So this guy, we know he painted. We found all kind of paints in the last episode. Now we're finding leatherworking, tooling stuff. So he did leatherworking. And I know, once again, that's not cheap. And a little box like this, maybe it's only a $50 box. But still, we'll take another box. Anytime you take a box in a storage unit, and you open it up and it has money in it, that's a great sign. And when you keep finding boxes with money in it, that's a great, great sign. I'm so excited. Who knows what else? We'll just keep going through here. Got so many more boxes. Oh man. Well, I guess let's do it. You want to do the case?
Let's do it.
So we have this case in here. We're going to see what is inside the case in 1 minute. All right, everybody. So we got this case right here. And we found bullets in the unit already. We found gun cleaning stuff, brand new fishing stuff. So let's see what's inside the case. Let's hope it's something awesome. Ugh. is this the big reveal? Can I have a drum roll, please?
I
That was weak. A little better.
don't have a drum.
Right next to you, man. That's a lot better. See? Oh!
Oh.
Unfortunately,
All it is a gun case.
and it looks like a Remington extra clip for the 243. So,
Well, I have a nice case for a gun.
the bad news is it's an empty gun case. The good news is the case still has value. It's a padded, hard case for a weapon. And hey, we're not going to get sad. So far this unit we found brand new fishing stuff, tons of other fishing stuff, all kind of other great things. A banjo, we still got another banjo case to open. Hopefully it's not empty like the gun case. All kind of cool things, and I mean, you just never know what you're gonna find. So just keep watching. Once again, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. You can bid on items at www.secondsense.com, www.secondsense.com, and hey, you can't always win, but sometimes you can win. So it's not all bad. And who knows what else? Take a look at all the stuff we got left in there. Man, tune back in, take a look. Who knows what else we're gonna find? And we'll open this case next episode. So hopefully something's in that one.